UL Research Institute's Chemical Insights studies toxicology and how chemical exposures impact human health. We want to learn how to reduce health risks for you and your family. From the clothes we wear to the air we breathe, we're exposed to thousands of different chemicals daily, but we only understand the health impact of about 15% of those.
To do that, we've established 4 centers for research. At the Center for Toxicology and Human Health, we look at consumer products like vapes or PFAS-treated items to evaluate health risks.
In the Center for Analytical and Exposure Sciences,
our scientists measure pollutants and examine potential exposure pathways for things like 3D printing and wildfires in the wildland-urban interface. In the Center for Chemical Informatics and Screening, we develop rapid, integrated approaches for human health toxicity assessment that fill information gaps for data-poor chemicals, including computer models that predict chemical toxicity, as well as laboratory-based high-throughput screens to identify important biological processes that are disrupted by these chemicals. At the Center for Scientific Computing and Data Management, we develop online software tools that make all the chemical safety data collected by Chemical Insights available to the public, and the ability to combine information in specific ways that support different safety-related decisions. UL Research Institute's Chemical Insights is making the world a safer place by helping you understand chemical exposures in your daily life. Our journey is far from over. Our mission is to use science for a safer, healthier tomorrow, and it continues to propel us forward. We hope you'll come along.